If your washing machine has no power, you press the buttons, nothing happens, there's no lights, I have an easy fix for you. It could be something very simple. So first thing is, again, just make sure it's plugged in. Make sure that you've checked all the buttons. Sometimes it could be something wrong with the display, but more often than not, it's just caused by a problem with a special type of outlet that you find in your garage. Hey guys, can you take just a second to click on the subscription link below? It really helps our channel, and also the bell notification, so every time we make a new video, we can send it right to you. We make a new video about once every week. Really appreciate that, and if you give us a thumbs up, it'd be great. Thank you. These GFCI outlets have a red reset button, and if you press it, it allows power to travel once again through the outlet, and that will cure the problem with your washing machine, and you'll have power again. Washing machines are notorious for tripping those outlets. Thanks so much for watching our video. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. We really appreciate that. We have a really nice video coming up for you right here that I think you'll enjoy. Very similar, dealing with appliance repair. So thanks again for watching our video.